Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be playing Sand Patch. Now the reason that I'm playing Sand Patch is because they got new trains. And I'm going to review every single one of them. At least I'll try. So let's just get into it. And now we are in. Why the heck am I that laggy? Game's like laggy when you start it, and I don't know why. We're going to Canalsville. I'm not staying at Cumberland. And since they got the booster spawner, don't even know. I think that's broken. Let's look at the new trains. So what do we got? We got F7A B set. Look how cool that looks. They got F units in Sand Patch before GTA 6. Okay, I need to stop. Well, I guess that's how you get a booster unit. Oh, why is no one laughing? Alright. We got that, but Western Maryland scheme. I always loved the black and yellow gold Western Maryland. The red and white one looks cool too. FA2 looks like an SC40-2 snoot nose, but if there were F units, get out of here. We got F7A in the black, white, and red stream. I'm a big fan. Alright. And I believe that's all. I mean, they did say they had like 10 new trains, but I don't know what else they added, to be honest. So let's get some of the new units. Oh, wait. I think this might be new. Yeah, this looks new. GP35. This is probably not new, but it looks pretty cool, so I'm gonna use it. No, wait, let's use one of those F units. And completely random, but it's 12:01, which means 777 is departing to San Luis Obispo from San Diego now. Okay, I should have thought of that. F7A and B set. This is gonna be awesome. And then we might. Oh geez, that one's actually really cool. This sounds like me after eating Mexican food. Alright, let's get some cars. I think I might get some I think I might get some takers so we can make this explosive train. Here we go. Yes, please. Please don't ban me for what I'm about to do. I mean, this is a private server, so I can kind of do whatever I want, but yeah, just don't ban me. Like, I'm not interfering with anyone else. What if, like, one of the devs, like Arctic, who, I don't know if he's a dev, or if he's a mod or not. Well, he is probably a mod, because I saw, like, the Sand Patch derailing video, top 5 Sand Patch derailments. he's either a mod or a dev. I've also seen like a Mr. ATSF Foam and Carve Games. I believe those are the only ones I've seen, like actually in game. Yeah. Oh, look at the sound, bro. Y'all hear that? Like, let me turn my Roblox volume down. Why is my volume at 1 and it sounds like a spoon dropping my PC when I try to turn it on at 3 a.m.? Good Doppler effect. Now, as soon as we get into Rockwood, we're gonna try to derail this thing. I know this is kind of a short-term video. I was just reviewing the new locomotives that they added. They're really awesome, by the way, WDevs. Oh, here we go. Okay, so my plan is we're gonna derail on the Rockwood terminal. Where the coal merge goes. Switches are set. Oh, yep, there it goes, there it goes. Well. Oh my god. Look at what just happened. Oh, jeez. East Palestine be like, I've played these games before! Bro, this is crazy. Well, WDevs for this update. It's really cool. I really like it. And if you really like this video, consider liking and subscribing. Goodbye.